Hey, it's Grover at Old Ones with Dice. At my local game store and at a local convention, I was running a few games of Gaslands. There's a number of questions that come up regularly. How are you inspired to make teams? How do you go about pricing out the teams? How do you modify your Matchbox cars? So I decided I'm going to do my first series for the channel. That series is going to be my instructions on how I went about creating a team based around this particular vehicle. So it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial broken up into probably about 3 or 4 videos breaking down the entire process. So if you're interested in Gaslands, you have some questions about how to make teams, how to make vehicles, stay tuned, hit subscribe, and hopefully we can learn something together. All right, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video.